Summertime is in full swing, and that means it's time for light, fresh, and flavorful dishes. This video is going to show you how to make a summertime feast of scallops, snow peas, and eggplant.
Let's start by cutting a lime and squeezing the juice to come up with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Next, we want to take 4 cloves of garlic, and I like to use my garlic peeler here. Helps me get that peeling off. Once we've got the peeling off, we're going to want to smash that garlic so it will release the flavors. Now go on and mince your garlic into small pieces and set it aside. You're going to love this summery feast. It is so delicious. Now we've got snow peas. I actually got these from my sister's garden. What we want to do is pull the string sides off and then diagonally cut those snow peas. And I end up with about 2 cups of snow peas. My snow peas that were a little mature, I just went on and took the shells off and saved the peas inside, and we'll put those into the recipe. Now I've got 2 Japanese eggplants, and I'm just going to slice off this top, and I'm going to go on and slice off the end. Since it's so crooked, I'm cutting it in the middle and then slicing it in half and then into quarters. Then I can cut it into cubes easily. Once I've got all of that eggplant cut, I'm going to set it aside. And that should be about 1 cup of eggplant. Now take romaine lettuce, and I like to cut it with my scissors, but I'm trying to just cut some strips, and I'm going to cut up about 2 cups of romaine lettuce. And then just set that aside. Now warm up your skillet. It should be a large skillet so you have plenty of room for the vegetables, and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that oil is warm, about 300 to 350 degrees, add your eggplant, and let's cook that eggplant until it's tender. Then stir in the snow peas, and we're going to only cook those snow peas for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add our garlic and cook just long enough to let those flavors out. Now take this mixture and add it to your lettuce. And then just toss that. Now let's add our fresh lime juice. And that turned out to be 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Lightly salt that to your taste, and then add 2 tablespoons of capers. Once again, let's toss this salad. Doesn't it look yummy? It is a great summer salad. It's going to go great with our scallops. Let's make our scallops. Add a tablespoon of oil to a hot skillet and a tablespoon of butter. This butter is going to help brown those scallops. We want to form a crust on the scallops. We should have the temperature on our skillet heated to about a medium high. Now put garlic powder onto the scallops, salt, and pepper. By the way, I have my new pepper grinder. I love it. It is electric. I'll have it listed in the description below in case you want one too. Now when the scallops have browned, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, these are large scallops, you then will want to turn them. Try not to turn them too often or you will not get the browning that you need for the crusty outside layer. Now let's plate our meal. I've put the eggplant snow pea salad on the plate and laid the scallops onto the plate, and now I'm going to put zest of the lime onto those scallops and then lightly squeeze lime juice across the scallops. Doesn't our summery feast look delicious? Scallops, snow peas, and eggplant with romaine lettuce all tossed together with the lime juice and capers. Yum! I love the buttery lime flavored scallops. Hope you've enjoyed this. Please come and watch other videos. I would like to suggest my video of ranch hamburger casserole. I think you'll love that recipe. Darby says, please subscribe to my channel. Come back and watch other videos. We love to have you as our friends.